Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Severna Park. Long-distance movers near me. Traveling comes with many responsibilities, whether you are moving across the state, country, or internationally. Having to pack and load shouldn't be one of the problems you have to handle yourself. Our movers at 3 Movers will pack and load up your belongings in our trucks and deliver them to wherever you're headed. We are proficient at planning and executing your move from start to finish. Our expert movers will pack your things in protective packing for a safe, long road trip. We ensure safe and secure delivery of your goods and have a compensation policy in our company if there is any damage or loss. Our moving crew will get you packed and unpacked into your new space in just one day. We offer competitive prices with customized services and promise to make your move a whole lot easy for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Severna Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form